Hey guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to produce a flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is used for hairstyling and for wash and go if you're kind of person that spends money buying gel for wash and go. Now this is flaxseed. This is how it looks like if you're seeing it for the first time. And this is the quantity I'm going to be adding. Remember, the quantity you are adding depends on the quantity of gel you want to produce. Because me, I'm not producing much, so I will be using this quantity. I'm adding in my water, and after adding the water, I'm going to allow it to settle for some seconds or a minute before adding it into an empty pot and allow it to boil. Now that is boiling, I'm going to allow it to start forming sticky texture. Maybe then you should know that the gel is already forming. The gel is already forming, as you can see, it's becoming sticky. If you want it to be thick, maybe you should allow it to boil again to keep boiling. Now I'm going to be stirring it. I'm using this crochet as my sieve.
Now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile.
I made this to be too thick for my liking, and as you can see, it's not producing enough gel. I'm going to be boiling the seed to produce more gel. So if you make your own to be too thick and you didn't like it, then you should go ahead and reboil it. It's okay, it will still produce gel. Now I've reboiled it and it's producing enough gel. As you can see, the weight is too much and it's bringing out enough gel, but it's a kind of watery. So you should go ahead and make your own thick watery anyhow you want it, but the goal is to produce gel that you will use for your wash and go. If you find this video helpful, leave a comment on what you think about this. Thank you for staying to this moment. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of my family and for more updates. See you in my next video. Bye.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out.